na guys, yung airport transfer namin. Nakarga naman lahat ng gamit. Ito siya. Ito siya. Bilis ng 40 minutes. Yes. Yeah.
Wait, look, I'm seeing it right now. The lingo. You have energy there. Get started.
Van namin. Yung cube mo, Tasha.
This is my pocket.
Okay. Ano na, ang bilis ng ride namin guys. 40 minutes lang. Andito na kami agad sa airport.
Ay, mama, pupo.
Ano? Yan. Ito na mga bagahe namin. Saan? Sa loob? Oo, mainit agad. Ano, wala ganong tao guys. Anong oras na ngayon? 1:39. Walang tao. Gano. Yung sabi ng anak ko, kami lang daw ba yung tao dito. Ayan o, tinan nyo. Wait Ito. Diba? Wala o. Kasi nga, 1:39 a.m. Walang. Ito mga to. Pilipino siguro to. Baka wala pang check-in. M90. Mag-ano muna tayo yan, yung timbangan.
Ayan, no? Kilogram.
Yan, timbangin natin.
Okay.
Tingnan mo muna ako nagtitimbang. Baka hindi eh. Naka-off. Hindi dito, wag dito. Naka-off. Hanap tayo ng... Wala din?
Wala. Wala ka na sa shig. Ay, ito.
Ibabalik ko na lang muna kaya yung pocket wifi. Sa baba yun eh. Sa arrival.
Ano ba dito sa, ano?
So, ko muna yung pocket wifi namin sa departure, arrival area. Saan ba elevator? Ayan. Oh my gosh.
Hello! Hello, Mami Shay! Palipat namin. Siya rin.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Hello po! Si Mami Shay yung una kong nakita dito sa South
Oo
Korea.
nga, ako nag-welcome sa kanya dito.
Oo, na
Pero,
para bang isa siyang lokal.
pero paalis lang. Yung sinakyan niya na aircraft.
Siguro
yung sasakyan
yun din.
namin. No? Kasi, Anong landing mo? 12:45?
12:45.
Wala 6:35. Di ba magkakarga
baka
pa sila
ganun.
ng gas? Papahinga pa yung pilot, gano'n.
So, wala na kayong tulog.
Oo, yung mga ano ko, yung pagkakapihin ko na nga lang. Di ba?
Yung mga bagets.
Oo, wala sila. Diba?
Ayun.
So, anong plano natin today?
Ako, plano ko, hanap ako ng matutulugan.
Hello! Naghiwalay na kami ni Dave kasi magpapahinga siya or mag-edit muna habang iniintay yung bus niya ng 4 a.m. Na din kasi 2:18. Tapos kami mag-check-in na kami kasi ang flight namin is 6:35. Tapos kanina sarado pa yung mga check-in counter nung dumating kami. Mga 1:39 yun. Ayun. Sobrang happy ko nakita ko si Dave. As in talagang parang reliebo lang yun. Reliebo ba tawag doon? Yun, basta yung aircraft niya, parang yun din yung sasakyan namin pa uwi. Kasi wala namang ibang flight in between. Yun na yun. So, eto, pabalik na ako sa aking my family. Medyo nabubuhay na dito sa arrivals. May nakita kaming mga kainan sa baba. Parang katsu. Tsaka parang may food court din sa may arrivals area. Check ko lang yung namin. M19 to M24. Ayan. Ang layo ko pa. Nandito pa lang ako sa letter J. Ayun. Ang tahimik pala pag ganitong oras, no? Yung patay na oras. Pero parang mas okay ito kaysa yung isa. Although, ito nga, wala kang tulog. Parang mas okay yung mga 8 o'clock. Sige, balikan ko kayo pag kakain na. Balikan ko kayo pag kakain na kami. Oh, man.
Because I was eating chocolate with
That's your new shirt.
Chips Ahoy.
But that's new.
Because I'm very hungry and I wanted to eat Chips
Yeah, you can
Ahoy.
eat. You can eat, but don't make your
Mom, you
damit
know I solved
dirty.
this canina, but I just scrambled it.
Okay.
Yeah. I thought that wasn't you because I didn't see the color of your bag.
Oh. 1, 2, Koli. 3. Smile. Oh, selfie, selfie.
Love you, mommy.
Shake Shack.
It's also mine. Well, mom, can you tangle the vegetables? Okay. And mom, can you also tangle that things, the white things? The one you're holding right now, the white,
Paper?
the paper.
Guys, 4:34 a.m. At nandito na kami, papunta na kami sa boarding gate. Uy, si Jean. Ito. Bes, yung Jean mo. Here, Jean is here. Naghahanap ka, di ba, ng ads. Ayan siya, oh. And now, sa kami? 110. Check daw ni Daddy yung lounge. Bigat. Check daw niya yan, yung rest and relax. Pero feeling namin sarado pa yan eh. Sa upstairs. Oo. Ito, public lounge, sarado. Oh, let's go na. Eto guys, may gourmet pang food court. Ayan. Tapos may Jamba Juice. Oh, ito na mga Chanto Danak. Ayoko na ubarin yung jacket ko kasi wala na akong space sa bag. So, panindigan na natin tong jacket ko. Kahit na naiinita na ako as a first. Anong chips? Okay. Bibidyohan ko nga sila. Bibidyohan ko kayo dyan. So, ka later. Hi! Hi! Malapit na kami sa 110. I'm so tired. Oh. Ayun na. Saan na kaya? Nagpapatio na yung mga anak ko. Oh, ayun na sila, oh. Parang alam na nila yung way. Oh, di ba? Ayun na sila, oh. Ay, salamat, Lord. At nandito na tayo sa gate namin. Ito, Cebu Pacific. Dito tayo sa Osaka naman tayo. Osaka tayo. Gusto mo? Osaka.
Okay na?
Wag na. Wala na tayong pera, no?
Next time na. Look, we did it. Mommy, why is your iPhone like that?
Wala ako nung ganito. Di ba meron ka yung binili mo? Charger yun, di ba? Sa Daiso. Sa blue. Nandito.
Don't gamitin that.
Oo, gamitin mo.
Who on my Oh, Dracula. Speak of blood.
Saan ba yun?
So look. Oh, sorry.
Ngayon, buksan.
Ito, buti may nabili kami sa Daiso. Kasi,
Bawal yan ata. Kasi
bawal?
may explode sa plane.
are you drugs? What do you mean?
Sa plane ba may tubig?
Oo. Ayun na, may samahan mo nga siya sa water fountain, Daddy.
Ano na po?
Ayan, sinarge namin yung phone niya dito. Try ko nga yung bago kong case. Mami, gagamitin niyo po yung jacket niyo? Gagamitin niyo po yung jacket? Binili ako ng case. Try natin. It's charging na. It's super fast. Look. Super fast. Mag-charge. Mag-charge.
Okay, so 26% na ako.
Oo, sobrang fast.
Hey, please play. The game over stuff.
Anong key zone? Bukas? Sarado?
Bukas yung
Ah, where's the toy that I buy?
attraction.
Ano lang?
Tignan mo, silip yung ba
Mommy, where's the toy that I buy? Oh, sana may laruan. Hey, Chris, play. Let's play.
Laruin nyo na lang to. Pabuksan mo kay Dad.
Are you supposed to take
Bumili akong case. Ito, clear lang ata ito.
I'll teach you how to play. I said this. Which is ours? What? Which is ours? What? Which is yours here? What? Which is yours here? Oh, this is mine. This is mine.
Oh, ganito lang siya.
I thought we were gonna
So,
play.
may protecting film.
Okay.
Ito?
Hmm.
Huh?
Walang duty free na. Oh.
Nakainom ba si Collie?
Mommy,
Madami.
I'll teach you how to play.
How done?
Wait, Mommy, I'll also tell you how to play.
Wait, I'm fixing my
So
phone.
we will both have, and then the other person with the ball will throw it, and then try to land with the one the other person that is holding it to land in the same color. Look,
I know.
and then boom.
Boom and then boom. Okay. Boom and then boom.
Chris, play. Okay.
Boom and then boom. Why do you always have to say boom and then boom? Ganda. Ganda, oh, Daddy. Yung ganito ko kasi na-clear na naninilaw na eh.
Play with one is pink. So you have to try to land it in pink and green. You have to. Okay, whoever has the ball will throw it and then try to land it in the same color. Okay. Sando. Oh, okay. How would you be there?
How about you be there?
Ganun ba?
Let me see. Let's see. No.
Oh.
Now your turn. Now your turn. Huh? Oh, you throw it. Check. I'll get it.
Baka mawala yung bola.
No! What landed? Okay. Wait. Oh. Oh, it landed. Oh, it didn't. Hi! Wait, Mommy, it landed. Look. It's green. Yes. Oh! Again. Ice!
Ito yung ano dito, kids area. Dito sa tabi ng boarding gate namin. Ayan, tapos meron silang... Where's Kuya?
He's still drinking. I think. Is he?
Ito, meron silang toy. Show your
Let's
toy.
do this. Okay? Again? Yeah. Mommy, the water was so refreshing.
So refreshing.
Yes, I won't play again. Yeah, but how about there will be in that side? Wait, how about it's be like golf? It's like the stick. No, I don't think this. Oh, fine. Ready? Catch.
Wow.
Oh. Wait, how did you land that?
Ito, nabili nila yan sa Daiso.
That was my turn to throw.
Oh no! Why would you hurt your sister?
Big back. Wait, Mom, look, I landed it. Look, I landed it. Look. You see?
Yeah, pink on pink.
Where?
Wow.
How did he do that? What? Mommy landed ba to?
Yes.
What?
What? the-
I did not. Oh. Bro, really? I was about to land it on his mouth. Bro, how did you land that? I didn't think. Bro, how did you land that? Wait, look, mommy, look, it's landed. Look, it's landed. Basically landed. You see?
Yeah.
Maya, let's go. Look at that. Wait, mommy, look at landed. Look. Just stop going to mom.
Look
and
at
just
this.
tell her that you landed it. So you can continue the game faster. Oh. I didn't land it. Okay. Bro, are you serious? I'm seriously after me sick. Oh. So I missed it.
Wag masyado hard.
Go like a Maria. Oh. Ah.
Shoulder blade.
Shoulder blade.
Wow.
Siren na. Soccer. How do you?